So for today's video, I'm going to be trying on the Daydream lashes for the first time. So I have them in 12, 14, and 16. And these are really nice. Like, they're kind of dramatic. So this is the 16. They're dramatic, but they're, because it's long and kind of wispy, but not super, super full. So I think I like these. The actual segments don't look that long. Like, I think the volume ones are wider. I don't know if you can see. Maybe I'll... So this is the 16s of the volume. And then maybe they're about the same size. I don't know, but you can see how they're a little bit different. The volumes are thicker at the base and then wispy at the ends. And then these are kind of like a crisscross wispiness. But they look really cute. So I just have those lashes, and then I have my, as usual, the deluxe set that has everything in it. I also include the Lashify glass and the Fuse wand from my old stash. And I also use a Q-tip for the conditioning primer. So right now it is 9:32. I'm kind of doing like a race against the clock kind of thing because I gotta be out of here and leave about 9:45. So let's see how quickly I can do this. So I pretty much do all the same things as my other videos. I am cleaning my lashes. Today I'm just gonna show you guys both eyes, and I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as possible. So if I miss any of my usual notes, I'm sorry. I'm thinking maybe Saturdays are not the best days to do lash videos because I'm always in a rush. But I guess this will prove to you guys how quickly you can put these on. I think the longest or the hardest part about doing it in the morning is getting the camera set up ready, even though it's just a tripod. So right now I'm just opening up all the lashes while my lashes are drying. And what I do is I loosen them, the ones I'm gonna use, I loosen them beforehand. So I'm not messing around with it once I have glue on my eyes because that's no fun. So just for one eye. So I am gonna do the doll eye look like I usually do because I feel like that's the most flattering. So I'm taking 2 off from 14 or 12 and then 2 off from the 14s. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use like 3 16s. That's kind of just my usual lash map, I guess. So yeah, the way it looks like, the thinness, it looks like the originals to me. So it's possible I might use 4 16s. We'll see. So that's pretty much dry. I will do, since I'm doing both eyes, I will do my right eye first. I'm just using the black Pro Lash Glue. So yeah, let's see how quickly I can do this. So I have a little bald spot right there. So that's kind of growing in. So I'm trying to make sure I have enough glue right there to hold all the lashes. So I'm picking up a 12, and I always pick it up on a diagonal like this. And I'm gonna put glue at the base.
I'm sorry that I blamed you for things you can't control. I've been
and I'm just slightly overlapping. These don't have like, they're not spiky like the Hollywoods or the Brazils. So you don't have to be as precise with how you stack them. So I'm doing 16s now. These are actually looking really nice and really easy to put on. I actually prefer the wider band ones just because it's a faster application to me. And you don't have to use so many. So yeah, I have this much left. I'm going to just do 3/16 and then finish it up with a 14 and a 12. I try not to rush when I do my lashes just because things tend to go wrong more often than not. So, but it's okay. Okay, so that looks good. I didn't go all the way to the end, which you shouldn't anyways because it could poke you at the end. So that's my right eye. I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. Okay, and then now I'm going to remove the lashes. I should have done this before I put the glue on my left eye, but okay. I'm just taking the lashes off the sticky band, and you're just pushing down and pulling out. So yeah, now it's 9:39. So even with talking, I guess I did one eye in about 7 minutes. And my left eye is my trickier eye, I guess. Mostly because I'm right-handed, so I have to kind of like cross. And that's when the lash, the angle of the lash, like when you pick it up with the tweezer, that's when it matters. So I just love Lilac Street so much. I just tried another brand that's usually sold on Amazon, and they were so nice, and they let me try their lashes out and their glue. Like they have a whole system, and I really wanted to love it, but I just could not get it to work for me. Like the lashes were too curled, it didn't look natural. And the glue was sticky, but it had to dry at like a certain amount of time. Like I really appreciate how the Pro Glue is sticky right away so that you can just get on and start putting them on. I hate it, like even with regular false lashes, the ones that you glue on every day, how you have to wait for the glue to get tacky. I always bought the adhesive that was like quick drying, because nobody has time, right, in the morning. And I don't like to be guessing like, oh, is it sticky? Is it time now? And then all of a sudden it's super sticky, and then it's too dry, you know? It's hard to time it. Okay, so I'm on my lash, or my last lash. But yeah, I think they look really good. They're not natural for sure, but I'm never really going for the natural look. So I haven't fused them yet or anything. Just making sure they're all good. Because before you fuse it, you do have a little bit amount of time where you can take them off and rearrange. But yeah, so it's 9:43. I have 2 minutes to spare. So now I'm just getting the crystal coat, putting it on the bottom, and then on the top.
still deserve better. You stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you.
Then getting my Lashify Fuse one. I'm just running it on the inside, and then I'm gonna fuse both sides. And then with my Lashify glass, this is just an extra step. I'm just gonna run that little ball applicator along the bottom and on the inside.
We belong together, me and you forever.
Okay, and then I'm done. So it's 9:44. Oops, 9:44. So I finished my lashes in 12 minutes. So that's just proving to you that you can do this. It doesn't take that long. Once you start getting it, you know, like you're used to getting it done. My next step is to be doing my eyeshadow. And this is a step that is super important to the longevity, I feel like. I'm just doing a quick brow highlight. The most important thing is to tap it off so you don't get any residue on the glue. But just doing this has really helped me get the longevity, like the 7-day, the 9-day longevity. Because even though my skin is dry, so I tap it off. I'm using a bronzer. My lids are oily or wet because I put eye cream, I put sunscreen, concealer, foundation. What else? It's just layered up on there. So this step added on like 2 days to my wear. And you can do it subtle or, you know, dramatic, up to you. I have to get out of the door, so it's just a really quick wash of bronzer and highlight. Yeah, thanks for watching my quick lash application of the Daydreams. I really like these. These I can tell you're gonna have to like use the spoolie. I won't do it now because you might like pull one out, or I guess it's okay. It's on there. But these will have to be brushed out well after you take a shower or get them wet. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.